Okay, so this is a xDrive25i or xDrive28i if you're in the US. I'm replacing the air filter, which is this thing here. There's only 3 screws that you have to undo to get access to the filter and replace it. There's one here, one back here, and one back here. They're T25, so I'll just undo them and we'll get to the filter. Okay, so the 3 screws actually don't come out all the way. They just come out enough to loosen, and that just lifts up, and there's your air filter. So I can't do it one-handed, so I'll stop recording. Okay, there's the old air filter. Looks pretty dirty. Look at the color different, and here's the front of it. Here, it's just a matter of lifting this up and pushing this filter in. So you just have to make sure that everything fits snugly, so it's all sealed on all sides, and then just close it up and tighten the 3 screws. Okay, the 3 screws are in place and all the sides are properly sealed. Thanks for watching.